TBA is a world leader in applied protection technology. TBA specializes in high-performance textiles. Our customers enjoy a commitment to quality and incomparable flexibility in product design.
TBA's constant search for new materials has resulted in the development and production of Fortiglass, the brand name for a family of high-performance textiles produced from air-textured continuous filament e-glass yarns. These have a high volume of entrapped air and consequently good thermal insulation. Moreover, the filament diameter may be precisely selected to ensure soft, flexible fibers. During the next few minutes, we'll show you how Weldstop copes with extremely high and sudden temperature surges. In the first test, an untreated glass cloth undergoes a dramatic and searching examination of its insulation properties.
A furnace prepares a sample of molten cast iron at over 1,450 degrees Celsius. "85 grams of the metal are poured directly into a saucer formed from the untreated glass cloth. Not surprisingly, it ruptures within a few seconds. The test is repeated with a sample of TBA's Weldstop treated cloth of an identical weight and thickness. The fabric, codenamed GKPF 2006, receives the same amount of metal at the same temperature, but with very different results. So, why this remarkable improvement? The answer is that TBA's Weldstop process deposits its protection agent on all the filaments of the base fabric. This protects the material from deformation and degradation by high temperature. Another test compares the performance of Weldstop fabric and untreated glass fiber cloth when each is exposed to oxygen-enriched gas flame at 1,350 degrees Celsius. Within 6 seconds, the untreated cloth has failed. Weldstop fabric of the same weight and thickness retains its integrity for almost 50 seconds. Each of these tests has been independently monitored and verified by the Shirley Institute, a world authority on textile technology, behavior and performance.
The Weldstop treatment was developed by TBA with safety in the welding and metal treatment industries very much in mind. These industries have their own tasks to determine and verify the performance of materials intended for safety and protection. One such test is the American Consolidated Edison, or Con-Ed test. An 18-inch square of Weldstop treated fabric at a medium weight of 13 ounces per square yard is secured to a test frame. The fabric is suspended in a horizontal plane and the slack is adjusted so that there is less than 1 inch sag in the center. 12 inches above the center of the material, a 12 by 6 inch piece of half-inch mild steel plate is fixed, ready for oxyacetylene cutting. A half-inch strip is cut from the plate and allowed to fall freely onto the test sample. It is left on the fabric for 1 minute before being removed. The test is repeated 10 times in accordance with the ComEd standard. One minute after the final burn, the sample is removed and examined to determine the cumulative effects of impact, dead weight and heat. TBA's GKPF 1306 retains its integrity to a remarkable degree. There is no evidence of burn-through and only minimal evidence of perforation due to the glass fabric liquefying as a result of the direct contact of the red-hot metal. A similar test using electric arc welding techniques requires that a piece of brown paper be placed beneath the sample of the fabric being tested. Three half-inch circles are cut in quick succession through metal plate. The pattern of falling sparks and metal centres is concentrated by the box over which the plate is resting.
In this test, like the others, the Weldstop cloth retains its integrity to a remarkable degree. There is no burn-through. Add to this ability the first-class abrasion resistance of Weldstop fabrics, and you will see how advanced manufacturing skills and design expertise place TBA among world players in high-performance fabric technology. TBA's commitment to product quality is a commitment to being the best. So, when things get too hot to handle, think TBA.